Hey guys, what is up? It's AT here, and today we're doing an unboxing video. So right here I have the DJI Mic Mini. It's a lot of stuff. Let's open it. Minimalistic box. Nothing crazy, very simple designs. Personally, I do like that a lot. Now let's take it out of the box, and here's some paperwork. I really like the sticker, definitely gonna put it on. Then some more paperwork. Now we have the pouch. It has a tag on it, and then everything is inside this pouch. So now I'm taking everything out. There's a lot of stuff in there, so I just sped it up. So first up is our charging splitter cable and the 3.5 mm audio cable. So the audio cable is going to connect through the receiver and to the camera. Then this charging cable will be used to charge your microphones. So this is a USB-C to USB-A, which you can use to charge your receiver. Next up, we use this USB-C dongle we connect to the receiver, and then you can plug it into your phone or your MacBook or any Android device. It has pins on the bottom to connect to the receiver. Then we have these magnets. They're pretty hard to remove, so I would recommend placing something in between them. Now we have the first microphone. It already has a windscreen attached to it, which is pretty nice in windy locations or anything that can obstruct the audio. This is the second microphone. Again, it has a windscreen attached to it already. Then we have the charging pad for the microphone. It's just 2 pins, and then it just magnetically connects to the microphones. Then this is the receiver, the main part. It has a dial on it, and then it has 2 buttons to link a microphone and to power it on. It's pretty simple, and yeah, thank you.